কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, 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 চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে। আমি ছিল বসে আশারি আসি, আমি ছিল বসে আশারি আসি, নাহি এলে, চলে গেলে। কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে। যে গান রচিলে মরে শিখাইলে, যে গান রচিলে মরে শিখাইলে, যে গান রচিলে মরে শিখাইলে, আ আ যে গান রচিলে মরে শিখাইলে, মোর কণ্ঠে তা না শুনিয়া গেলে, মোর কণ্ঠে তা না শুনিয়া গেলে। যে গান রচিলে মরে শিখাইলে, মোর কণ্ঠে তা না শুনিয়া গেলে। যে বীণার তারে ভুবন মাধারে, যে বীণার তারে ভুবন মাধারে, সে তার ঝিরিয়া দিলে, চলি গেলে, চলি গেলে। কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে। ওগো বেদরদি এত বলিলাই, ওগো বেদরদি এত বলিলাই, ওগো বেদরদি এত বলিলাই, অলোকালোকে প্রতাপিত হয়। ওগো বেদরদি এত বলিলাই, অলোকালোকে প্রধাবিত হয়। যারা ভাবিয়াছি তব কাছে কাছে, যারা ভাবিয়াছি তব কাছে কাছে, তারাই বিরহানলে ঝরি, তারাই বিরহানলে ঝরি, ঝরি গেলে। কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে। আমি ছিল বসে আশারি আসি, আমি ছিল বসে আশারি আসি, নাহি এলে, চলি গেলে। কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, কত কাছে ছিলে দূরে চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে, চলে গেলে। So near you had been, but you went far away. You went away. In hope of your advent, I have been waiting. You did not appear. The song that you composed and taught to me, not hearing it from my throat, you departed. You thrilled the world with a lute string, but that string you were breaking. O callous one, with this divine game of yours, both worldly and unworldly, scurrying they have become. Those who are thinking to be close to you, only they burn in the fire of separation. Now, when we love someone, when we feel that we are close, we feel blissful and happy. And when we feel separated, we feel intense pain. Now, if this loved one is the dearest and nearest one, is your supreme being that you have a personal relationship with, that feeling of separation can be intensively strong. It is a spiritual anguish. It is the feeling of separation from the Supreme Being that the devotee feels like completely rendering the heart. It is so painful. So in this song, it says, you have been so near and now you're gone away. And I was waiting for you, but you did not come. And then the explanation comes. Why? Maybe it was because you had taught me the songs, but I did not sing them. So you went away. And you broke the string that you had made yourself. Now, if we never love, we never feel how is the pain of separation. But is it better never to love? Or is it better to love and feel the pain of separation? I would say it's better to love and then feel the pain of separation, because then there is a hope of reunion. And so in this song, the person has been deeply in love and deeply close to that Supreme Being, and is now feeling, oh, I am the only one which is feeling this pain. Those who are roaming around the world and have no feeling for you, they will never burn in the fire of separation. They will just be happy, eating and drinking and be merry and do whatever they like, and they will never feel that pain. So it is addressing the Lord as, oh callous one, oh hard-hearted one, you don't care about me. I want to be close to you, but you just don't come. So it's a very dramatic song. It's a very, very beautiful feeling. Sometimes when we sit in meditation, we feel that Supreme Being so close to us. And sometimes we sit in meditation and we are concentrated. We are trying and we are trying, but He doesn't come. So why? Because whenever He comes, that is His grace. And when we have that sweet moment, we know, oh, there is that sweetness inside. That bliss is there. And so we keep on trying. We keep on trying. And eventually, we will succeed. And that bliss will come again. There's a beautiful story. Shiva, he had 3 wives. And his first wife was Parvati. And one time, he withdrew the bliss from her meditation. So she was doing meditation, but she was not experiencing that bliss. And so she was trying harder and harder and doing more and more meditation. She wanted that bliss again through the meditation. And then suddenly he released that bliss, and she went deeply into all kinds of samadhis and experienced beautiful samadhi feelings. And so the life of the devotee is like this. We get that glimpse of that spiritual bliss, and then we are hoping to get that bliss again. And we try, and we try, and we keep on meditating. And then eventually the Supreme Being will grace us and release the bliss. And we get inundated with bliss. So grace is something that you cannot earn. You can earn it to some extent, but it always comes. Grace is a grace. It comes something that you did not earn it. It just, the Lord will grace you one day, and you will feel that bliss. Myself, in the last few weeks here in California, I've been doing a lot of meditation. And I've been fortunate that I have really felt that bliss many times. And you sit, and you sit. You sit for 1 hour, and 2 hours, and 3 hours. And then maybe in the last 20 minutes, that clear feeling of pure bliss comes. And it's worth it. It's worth sitting for 2-3 hours in meditation if you get that bliss in the end. So we have to we have to keep on trying and enjoy that internal bliss. And those songs, the Prabhat Samgit songs by Sri Sri Anandamurti Ji, they are so beautiful because they give us the glimpse, the idea of how is the devotee feeling inside when they are continuing their spiritual practice and they are trying to go deeper and deeper and deeper and trying to catch the hold of that Supreme Being and just get inundated with divine bliss. So I hope you will all enjoy that. Devotional field is ups and downs, just like everything. And when we feel separate, we feel that longing, that intense longing. And that intense longing is also a kind of a grace, because we are not that time roaming around in the world looking for material enjoyment. No, we are seeking that divine inner bliss. And that is beautiful. And so even to feel painful is also a beautiful feeling. When you feel the pain of separation, it means that you are thinking intensively about that Supreme Being. And you want to be one. You want to be close again. And so that pain is also a very sweet pain. It's a very sweet feeling of, I want to be in that divine bliss again. So let us enjoy that divine bliss by continuing until we find that blissful moment in our meditation. Namaskar.